Introduction to jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks are a classic full-body exercise, perfect for boosting cardio fitness. Simple yet effective, they increase heart rate, burn calories, and engage multiple muscle groups. Suitable for all fitness levels, jumping jacks require no equipment and can be performed almost anywhere. Let's explore how to do them correctly for maximum benefit and safety.
Step-by-step technique.
Start by standing tall, feet together and arms at your sides. In one fluid motion, jump your feet out to the sides while swinging your arms overhead, forming a wide X shape. Quickly reverse the movement by jumping feet back together and lowering your arms. Repeat the motion smoothly, maintaining a steady rhythm and controlled breathing.
Maximizing cardio benefits.
To get the most cardio benefit, perform jumping jacks at a brisk pace for 30 seconds to 1 minute per set. Focus on continuous movement and try to add multiple sets with short rest periods. Keep your core engaged and land softly on your feet to absorb impact, helping protect your joints while keeping your heart rate elevated.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Watch out for common errors like sloppy arm movements, incomplete jumps, or letting your knees cave inward. Avoid landing harshly on your heels, as this can lead to discomfort or injury. Always keep your movements controlled and posture upright. If you feel pain in your knees, ankles, or back, stop and check your form before continuing.
Tips and progressions.
As you get comfortable, try increasing the duration or intensity of your jumping jacks. Add light hand weights or switch to variations, like squat jacks or plank jacks, for an extra challenge. Remember to warm up first and cool down afterward. Proper hydration and comfortable footwear will help you stay safe and get the most from your work.